have not
really.
experienced something like I had goosebumps.
But I just really felt that it was essential to have something specific about women. Because the various hats that I see women wearing, I find it incredibly inspirational. I've always been fascinated by women in business, but then I've been in tech for so long, and I see that there's really just a disconnect between women and tech. And so I want to show women, we can do all kinds of things, right?
I have not
Really.
experienced something like I had goosebumps. I would meet women that would be like, "Oh my God, you know what I always really wanted to do? Repair cars."
Right.
I loved it. It was just such a women power and this talking about like, hey, we have all this curiosity about those things. And I had women after women saying like, what I discovered is that I actually really like math. And I discovered it first being 30 when they just threw me on the project and I had no choice. I had to
Right.
do it. I had to do analyzing of data. And you know what? I'm really good at it and I dig it so much. They would
That's
be
awesome.
and they would be surprised how much they loved it.